We're early as fuck.
Too early. Too early.
Too early, man. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Early Bird Catches the Worm YouTube channel. Got Preston over here with me in his dart. The sickest dark in the universe.
It is.
We're out here at Piedmont, where I should have wore some sunglasses because I can't see shit. Good Lord.
I got a pair.
You got a pair? What do they look like? Oh, actually, I think I have a pair too. They look kind of crazy though. Much better. All right, so today we are at Piedmont, which is actually a drag strip, but they also do drift events. And today we're actually doing a burnout pit, a slide event. All right, so this isn't usually my kind of, you know, scene or event or whatever, but we're here to learn and see what it's like to hang out with the slidey boys.
Cool.
All right, we're just hanging out. So we're gonna hang out with the slidey boys today and see what's going on. So hopefully it's fun. Is it gonna be fun?
It's gonna be straight. Check out the photos when y'all
Gonna be straight. Yeah. Check out Preston shots. Thing is sick. It's mint on the inside. I need to get one of these. Oh, they're rolling in.
Awesome cheese here. That's dead. Cut off.
It died.
It's done.
No. We gotta help him push it.
And the crowd says,
Come on. It's in neutral?
Hey, drop her in neutral.
EQ. Yeah, put it in neutral. Bro, is this the same thing that happened to Chris?
Hang on, roll it back.
Here we go.
Go,
Go, let it go. Dig deep, boys. Turn hard right. Dig deep, boys. Yes, I think there's enough of y'all. My fat ass is like, I'm good. What did he break? Damn. Bro, someone clip that tape so quickly.
Oh, no way. Oh, no. I was heading to the car to get batteries. Yeah, don't scratch that thing, buddy. Damn.
all night.
Did you enjoy yourself?
It was a ball.
Yeah.
Slow start.
Slow start. It was kind of like the middle school dance.
Recital.
Yeah. No, not a recital. Like the literal dance, where like everyone's standing on the wall, and the music's playing, and you're just like,
Who's
it's
going
like
in,
who's
bro?
gonna actually dance?
No doubt.
And then your third grade teacher, or your well, middle school is what, 6th grade teacher starts dancing, and then it's like, oh, okay, we can dance too. That's what kind of happened. But this was just the first one, so not too bad. I mean, well, people really started going at it. So, anyways, it's time for food. Yeah, it's time to eat all the time, you know. Anyway, we're gonna go get some food. They're not gonna stop no time soon. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and head home. Yeah. So thank you for watching again. If you're ever in North Carolina, come check out the Piedmont Drag Strip and any of their events. If you are in North Carolina, God, you need to be coming here because it's great here. So yeah, make sure join our Facebook group, check us out on social media, like and subscribe. It's time to eat. Y'all have a good one.